Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the code that I created to utilize our definitions for the triggers from the last video, and show you what I did to generate triggers for all the views that I needed. Remember, in the description, there are some comments that you can grab and paste in your own environment so you can follow along. I will see you after the title. So these are the comments that you'll find in the description, and there's really not a lot going on in here. Getting the, the dataset information, our tokenized script that we're going to execute, and basically how we're going to build the definition list is also very simple, replacing and executing SQL. So I'm going to show you what I did in the code. We'll be taking a DataSetId in, and it will be a view. Then I have the dataset, dataset type, database, definition information, a definition list, which will hold all of our definitions that we entered in the last video, and then our base and execute. I'm getting the data set information, then the database information, and here's our tokenized script again. I am using EXEC inside because trigger is one of those things that that has to be first in the batch. And I've already ran this so you can see that the names match up. Now, creating the definition list is pretty simple, just concatenating all the key names that we get back. The parent of the relationship definition to dataset type, where the dataset type ID is the child, and we're limiting the definition to the trigger type of definition. So the replacement's very simple, replacing the database name, the definition list, and the dataset name. And I had to trim and make sure that if we pass in the base view, then it's going to be a null, which will blank out this string. It'll execute nothing. We won't get an error, and no trigger will get created. So that's it for the actual code piece. Now, what I did to create all the triggers on all of my views is I just, give me all the views in the realm, dataset realm, and then iterate through them. And I only needed the dataset ID, but I grabbed them both just so I could see what was going on. And it creates this view. So on the select, we have a DMLPrevention, no insert, update, delete. And on the update, no insert, no delete. So pretty simple code, very powerful to control how our data is getting modified and accessed. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and in the next videos we're going to start doing this to tables, so it's going to be a long few videos, but we'll be able to dynamically create tables. So just remember, like this video and YouTube will recommend it to other users in our industry, and subscribe to support me. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.